RDZERO here, aka the E-Machine, aka the Klansman, not aka Red Zero. No matter how many racist preteens on Xbox Live mispronounce my name. It's the day after Valentine's, and that's Valentine's, not with an M, kind of like library. This is my semi-Valentine's gift from my wife. It's a Street Fighter Cross Tekken Tournament Edition Pro Fight Stick. It's a mouthful that I picked up a couple of hours ago from GameStop in Beaumont for about $99, which is the exact same price that it's offered on Amazon. I'm sure some people, my wife, who had the unfortunate pleasure of riding with me, are like, why don't you just ship it here? I look her in the eye and I say three things to her. And I tell her, you tell me if this is American or not. A, I want it now. I'm not patient. B, the cost of shipping versus gas isn't too bad. It just kind of costs me time. And I don't mind driving. I drove to Conroe to get my first fight stick. I actually drove to Temple to get my HD DVD player. And now, which just like then, given my strong financial and marketing background, I still believe that HD DVD is, not was, the better format. So leave me alone while I enjoy my I Am Legend HD DVD in high definition 1080i picture. Well, let's stop dancing around like this is Kansas City. Let's get to the box art. First off, I love it. It's my first fight stick I really bought. Ryu, Chun-Li on the cover. Kazuya, I'm not sure. Not a big Tekken person, so I don't know. But you open it up, it's got these cool little magnets, and Zangief, and a bear, Winnie the Pooh, I don't know. But this is the fight stick. Really nice box. And this is my first opening. I actually charged up my camera to make sure I could do it. So, I'll show you a little bit of the box. Whoops. Whatever. This way. But that's the front. It's the top. So it's just a ton of art. And I don't know if you can tell by the light, but it's real glossy. It's real good. Alright, let's get to the controller. Alright. I thought it was wood for some reason. It's still pretty sturdy. I actually see got Ryu, Ken, Kazuya, I don't know. We can correct that later. And the girl. In the back, they got the 13-foot cable, USB cable. Nice little way to tuck it up. Start and back buttons in the back too. And I think it has a Denshi, it says, joystick, and Sanwa buttons. It's a little bit different than mine. That's not bad. And looks like it comes with a headset adapter. Get this out of the way. But this is it. A nice little size. I'll compare it to my other one I use now. My little Hori fight stick. So you can see quite a bit bigger. Already seems like the joystick's tighter. Funny story about this stick. I'll stand behind it. First time I bought it somewhere, the guy was like, "Oh, is that wireless Hori Tekken stick? I hate that stick." Well, like the dude took time to actually walk over there and tell me that while I went and played, but it doesn't matter. I like it. Batteries, no back. That's custom. But that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and play it now. Tomorrow I have my first, or I guess my second tournament. And I really just hope to not get knocked out the very first round like I did the first time. But that's about it. RDZERO out. You know, I keep making it rain because my pockets ain't empty no more, bruh.